Excuse the crown, it's currently under maintenance. Deciding what color to paint it this time. To those that were wondering, yeah, I do it myself. I was guided by spirit to start doing my own hair last year, but that's a story for another time. Someone asked about this one in the comments of a previous video, so let's get into it. The hidden energetics of type 1 diabetes. Let me start this one with, this is educational only, not medical advice. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's talk about type 1. The one you're born with or that hits early on, like childhood, adolescence. People call it genetic or bad luck. It's not. It's karmic carry-on. It's past life trauma that came pre-installed in your DNA. When you show up with it, that means your soul's been around the block a lot, lifetime after lifetime, running the same shadow, skipping the healing. And when you keep dodging the work, that energy eventually lands somewhere in the physical. That's when an autoimmune disorder, what it really is. It's the soul saying, we're not doing this avoidance loop anymore. Type 1 sits in the root and the solar plexus, safety and identity. It's the part of you that never felt safe being here. So the body stayed in guard mode. It doesn't trust life, people, or the flow. So it micromanages everything, even fucking sugar. That's control rooted in fear. But underneath it, that's a soul that's tired of being betrayed, tired of holding on, tired of doing it all the fuck alone. Sugar is the sweetness of life. Insulin is trust. So when your body stops making insulin, it's saying, I don't trust sweetness to come naturally anymore. I'll control it myself. It's not malfunction, it's survival wiring. Healing starts when you stop fighting your own body and start teaching it safety again. You remind it sweetness is allowed, that being here is safe, that trust doesn't equal pain. So here's the 7-day energetic rewire. No gimmicks, no fix me loop, just 7 days to start rebuilding that connection between you, your soul, and your cells. Day 1, ground, bare feet, deep breath. Tell your body we're safe here. Day 2, solar plexus breath. Hand over stomach, breathe until the tension melts and say, I trust life to hold me. Day 3, sweetness check. Where are you blocking joy? Compliments, help, pleasure? Let one in today. Day 4, release control. Drop one thing you over micromanage: your plan, your phone, your diet. Micromanaging and watch that nothing breaks. Day 5, joy intake. Do something purely for fun. No productivity allowed. Let your cells remember joy is fuel. Replenish your own cup. Day 6, forgiveness flush. Write down every place you still feel betrayed in this life or in the past. Burn it. Bury it. Let that insulin resistance energy dissolve. Day 7, consciousness sweet. Wait, hold up. Conscious sweet. Eat something sweet with intention, fruit, honey, whatever feels aligned, and say it out loud. I receive the sweetness of life easily and fully. By the end of the week, your nervous system starts unclenching, your energy evens out, you stop living life like life's an emergency. Type 1 isn't punishment. It's a soul asking for peace after lifetimes of fucking war. When you finally listen instead of fight, the energy shifts. That's how karma becomes wisdom. That's how you walk out of the loop. Who got that out? I use a teleprompter app because when I get downloads while I'm doing and videoing, some more come in. So I have to focus and then I let the new stuff come out of my mouth. But I hope that helps somebody, and I just want to profess that with the full moon, even though I'm posting about like the full moon being sus and all that shit, but full moon at its core is here for release. So make that burn list. Ironically, it's on Wednesday. We should wear pink, smoke blunts, and make a burn fucking list or make a burn book. Whatever you need to let go of the shit from the past, the baggage that you've been carrying, shit that's not yours. Write that shit on a piece of fucking paper and light it on fire. Let it go. Let God, release it. Release it. Set the intention that you release what no longer serves you, what no longer serves your highest timeline. But get ready, because when you say and set intentions, shit's gonna start falling out of your life, because before the new comes in, you have to let go of the old baggage, the old energy. Everything needs to clear the fuck out. Like this morning, I started with a deep clean. I'm sweeping and mopping, and I'm gonna finish everything. So I am letting the old energy out so the new can come in. With that being said, and give a double tap on that screen, because no bot behavior here. We're all awakened souls on our individual journey, and it is my intention to help those who are awakened and want to level up in this game. So drop me a comment. Where is this reaching? Did you get a download? Did your body talk to you? Because when stuff resonates, your body's gonna let you know when your soul is hearing truth. So if you get goosebumps, hey, if you yawn, sneeze, any type of body reaction, you're releasing energy as well. I believe I posted about that, the way the body communicates and stuff. Like, go back on my feed, scroll. Let your soul tell you which one you need to listen to, because my voice is an activator, and I activate dormant codes. And with the level of frequency and energy I am at, if you're in my vicinity, I automatically spark spiritual awakenings in individuals. I've been witnessing it for the last couple of weeks. Like, if you stand too close to me, you're automatically going to sneeze, start yawning, or something's going to happen. Like, repeatedly, like back to back, because your body is trying to raise its frequency to match mine. So it needs to release energy in order to raise its frequency. So automatically people just start purging energy when they're around me. So the more you know.